Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the binary file write and read with object in C++. So yes, first I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process. And now yes is open. Alt F file menu and taking new file, and here our goal write a program to write and read binary file uh, binary file to student information. Yes, so let us yes, you have to know very well. So in my one video lecture in previous session, we can write 1D array to write and read. So that time we can use the offstream and ifstream class. Now here we can use the only fstream class. So that is a both write and read writes. So yes, and also I give the syntax of. So yes, here we can use the fstream, and then we can use that object like foi and that write. Yes, so here we can use the like write, and then here typecasting that string, and then ampersand object. Yes, and then size of object. So that is a syntax. So yes, and that read is a same syntax. So yes, I just copy and paste. So here we can use the read. So that is a reading. Okay, so that is a both right. Upstream is a superclass. So upstream and upstream. So yes, here we can one object first write and read. So yes, first we can include our header file. Yes, and that io stream.h, and then we can take the conio.h. Yes, and then our appstream. Yes, appstream header file. So appstream dot uh, m.h. Yes, and now our class declaration. So stud. Yes, and then here we can declare as integer roll number. Yes, then character, that is a name. Yes, and then directly take the percentage. So three member of a variable of class as a private member, and then public. So yes, you have to know very well. So here that private section is by default in class. So here we can get value from user. Yes, and that we can take in outside, and then we can take the show means display. So yes, first I save this file. So here we can write the binary file. So that is a binary and object. Yes, so binary object dot C++. So yes, now perfect. So let us take. So here we can first our member, that is a stud, that is our class name, and get value from user. So we can scan all the. So you can also take two subject mark and then total and then percentage. But I take directly percentage from user. So here you can scan three variable member of class. So for student roll number. Yes, and then scan and rm. Yes, and then I copy and paste. So here we can use the get as, and that is a name of student, and here change the message. Okay, sometime get as taking problem, so that is a better you can use the flush std in input time standard input. So any no buffer overflow, so that is a clear the buffer, flush the screen, clear the buffer one, and then directly percentage we have to take. So here we can take percentage. Okay. first member is ready. And now second member student, and that we can show, means display. So here we can use in directly print, and heading here we cannot take because we can take in main, because that is a for loop we have to take. So here I print first roll number, then we can use the set with 5, and then here name, yes, and then set w means set with. So again give the 5, and then we can print the percentage and then handle. So that is a manipulator set w. So that header file is required, and that header file name is, you have to know, I think, IOMANIP, input output manipulators. Yes, that is name. And now take our main function, and here first we can write only one student information, so s1. Then we can write multiple student object, array of object. So yes, first I take the get value from user, and then we can declare the fstream. Yes, so fstream, and that o foi, and then we can use the open. Yes, so open member function, and here our file name, that is a student info.txt file, and then here iOS, then we can take out and or operator iOS, and then scope reduction in, and then or operator and iOS, and then we can take binary. So yes, binary file, right? And so first write. So yes, how it's write? So foi dot write, and that character typecasting, and then here ampersand, that is s1 object over, and then sizeof, yes, that syntax, and s1 we have to pass. So that is a write, and then I close. Yes, so fi dot close, so we can write and then close, and then reading. So yes, first we can take from user and then reading. Yes, that also possibility. So here we can read, yes, here our same object, and you can also take some other object for reading purpose. So here we can use yes, same object. So if you require, then take the other object also, there is possibility. So yes, here we can write and read, so that is a possibility. So if you take from user, so that is a reading that object, and same we can call to our member, that is a means print the data. Okay, so let us take. So now we can use open again our file, and here I copy, just all are copy and paste to here. So here we can use the read, yes, not write. So read, and then we can s1 dot show, yes, that display, and close file, yes, and then get ch. So let us take, I save. Okay, so yes, let us check. No, yes, what's okay, so that is a prototype. Yes, here prototype is that syntax not find, or that definition. So we can stdio.h, that is a uh, flush function. So yes, what now? So yes, iOS, and yes, here scope reduction operator. So here is also there error. So one that giving. So yes, now there is no any error. Yes, look. So that is small. We have to typing mistake sometimes. So that is we can solve, no any problem. So yes, let us check. I compile, yes, and run. So yes, student roll number, then name, then percentage. Yes, I give any percentage directly. You can take two subject and then total and percentage. Yes, so all are well. So let us check. So yes, your roll number, name, and then plot that percentage name and that combination. So yes, here we can supply the width here also. So that is a yes, that is after we can use other manipulators, and that is a set precision. Yes, and after decimal there is 2, and here we can increase our size so that perfectly print. So yes, let us check again. I run and then we can take value from user. So now look, that is only 2 after decimal point. Yes, so only 2 point after, and perfectly our yes, that print perfectly. So uh, now we can let us check that file is creating student info text.txt file. So I press window key, yes, come out from C drive, yes, here in this PC, this laptop, and C drive, then turbo C++, and here is folder, and then dix, that is, and then turbo C, and bin folder, and then S I press, so student info. So yes, here so many file is there. So st, yes, here now I think st, yes, now come to picture student info. Yes, now that not file, and I double click. So yes, that only name is readable, but other all are in symbolic format because that is a binary format. So yes, that is you have to not so that is a write and creating file. So I close and now open our editor. Yes, and full screen. So yes, now we can write, that is perfectly. And now here we can write three student information. So array of object we have to take. Okay. So yes, and here we can take also from user. Yes, here integer variable and n. So here I first scan. Okay. So what is enter number of students? So you can enter yes and n variable number of students, and we can allocate the memory at runtime. Yes, new operator we have to use. So student and then n. Yes, you have to know very well that is dynamic memory allocation, new and delete operator. So yes, now here we can yes also take one for loop. So here I give I, and then here we can take for loop. So yes, I equal to 0 and I less than n, and then I plus plus. Yes, and here we cannot s of I. Yes, that is 1D array and get, and here we can all one by one object to write, but that file we cannot every time open. So I this take before the for loop. Yes, here because only one time file is open. Yes, and then write is every time. Yes, and then close only one time. So that write function we can take inside this, and here we can also take the s of I. So that is perfectly and close, and then here also same process. So here you can take the for loop. Yes, then 0 I less than, and then I plus plus, and that is also press because that is a reading, and then show display, and then closing press. And yes, and we can also provide the heading of our. So here we can take outside the for loop. So that is a roll number. Yes, that then name. Yes, and then we can take directly percentage. Yes, percentage and slash n or handle. You can also use handle. There is no problem. Okay, so perfectly. So let us check, and yes, that is when we can use the new operator, that is dynamic memory allocation. So we can must be use the delete operator. So that is a syntax s, yes, first subscript and then that variable. So yes, here we can define as a pointer variable, yes, object as a pointer type. So and then we can use the new operator. Yes, there is no, yes, what the, yes, here s1 is remaining. Yes, here we have to change, yes, that is remaining. So that giving the error. Okay, no problem. So yes, here we can also provide the number of time that loop is repeated over. Just let us check any error. No error. Yes, perfectly. So very easy way we can write three or any number of student, that is now loop is control to our self. So yes, that is very simple. We have to handling binary file. So yes, here I first two student. Yes, that is our right. So name and then percentage. So and then second student, that percentage. Yes, both, and yes, that value we can provide the slash t, and that heading and value is not perfectly because our heading is so long. So yes, we have to provide the slash t. Yes, so here, so in a show, yes, here that show is a our member. So heading is a, we can take so long, so that between page. So here we can remove one only blank. Okay, so now here we can provide some more pace. So here let us check. So yes, roll number and name. Yes, that name taking here I give 10. Yes, so that number of, and let us check. So now percentage. Yes, so name we can give like more. So now 15. Yes, I think let us check. So first we can test only one student. Yes, that is now our control. Only one student I take first. Yes, so yes, that's so long. So yes, that 10 is perfectly. So I remove the 15 and give the 10. So now let us check one. So first you can adjust, yes, only one student, then we can take number of students. So then perfect, we can, yes, so you can look that some only one or two, so only give the two. So here required 12. Yes, that perfectly now. Let's look, I think perfectly. So that is only one way we can check run and testing, because directly we cannot jump to exact. Yes. So yes, that look one, okay, not accurate means. So here only 11. Yes, now that perfectly. And if you here we can reduce, also we can provide the roll number if. So now let us check. So here we can also provide set W and then provide 3. So here we can now remove. So here I give the 9. Yes, let us check. So that perfectly prints. So one student again testing. So that is only one way. Yes, look, that perfectly accurate to exact. Roll number is middle, otherwise all are well. So now we can print. Yes, that also you can, yes, here, but that heading is here, so you can also take that line, double quotes, that and that print this type of line and close and provide the handle, otherwise that same line. Yes, before and after. Yes, here and then here. Okay, and here also. So that is a now means that is a, otherwise that disturbing. So all are some not accurate in position, so not inside but outside. Okay, so look that now, and you can also provide the value, but now we cannot provide here also. Yes, let us check. So again I give one student, so we can check different type of format means table. So look, that is all are well. So yes, lining is more. Yes. So So that is a some looking table type. So yes, all are well. So lining is more, so we can reduce some lining here is there, and here we can provide some, and here remove. Okay, and here also. Cannot, yes, perfectly. So now I give 3, so that is a happy. Yes, let us check all are well or not. Second student, that percentage, and last. Yes, look that. Okay, so that is a our table. So yes, that perfectly now I think. So you can also in between lining, and that is a testing and printing subject. So now no wasting your time. So you can test to yourself and adjust to your value and that according to table. So yes, now I here give 2 or 3 place. Yes, here is so adjust. Okay, so I think perfectly. So yes, here now I check only one. So here one student I again, because we can check last time. So how that, yes, you can look adding is boxing, and also you can in between also taking boxing, means one record to one then line and then print second record of student. So yes, that is a decoration, means that formatting in table, but our goal is a write and read in only fstream object, and here we can use the write, yes, write one object and then read one object. Yes, that is possibility. So very easy way. And here we can dynamically, yes, here we can object is a pointer to object type. Yes, so we can take like a object pointer type. So pointer to object, you can say that concept is there. So yes, write this program to your C++ notebook. Very interesting and very simple way. And previous my video lecture in binary fuel, I used the upstream and ifstream, write and read. So upstream is a write member, we can write 1D array, and ifstream we can read that 1D array. Same, first I use X and Y, two other separate array, and then same X array I can read. First we can write, and then blind means zero sign, and then read in same area. So you can also watch that video lecture. And now here object we have. So now here I give the example of student class. So you can take employee structure, product detail, purchase, sell, customer, so many form, means you have to prepare yourself. So like here employee roll number is employee ID, basic salary, that name, DHR, and gross salary. Okay, PF loan, that all in net salary also you have to provide. And product ID, product name, product quantity, price, and amount you have to find and write and read that binary file. So yes, based on this syntax, just we have to, and how we can print in table format. So yes, and new delete, we can dynamic memory pointer to object. Yes, also I cover in this session. So all are well. And yes, now I, and also some manipulators we have to set W and W and L, that is use. Okay. So yes, here all 3 mode we have to binary in out. Okay, and now I close this file. Yes, and whenever you can use new operator, you must be use the delete operator. That is our responsibility. Otherwise, that memory block is a reserved for permanently by compiler, not assigned to other variable. So that sometime memory leak is generated. So overflow your hard disk. So that's not good for your uh, hard disk or in your PC. So better we can delete deallocation, that one use word. New is allocation memory, and delete for release the memory. And that also one technical word is a deallocation memory from our internal memory hard disk. Okay. So yes, I close this file. Alter F3 function key, all about the how write and read to object and student information. So yes, quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.